Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from SeanKBeauty, and it is time to go from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds using all Chantecaille makeup. You all, I've been on the computer all day and I am ready to transform this look. I'm doing this video in collaboration with my good friend Jen from justglofirefly, who's also a luxury YouTuber. She's the girl next door with the most vivacious, effervescent personality that if you want to know the latest in luxury makeup, she's the girl to go to. She sits down and talks to you as if you've known her forever. And one day I was on the couch, I was not feeling the best in spirits, and she did a live on Instagram, and I went on that live, and I kid you not, by the time I listened to her laughing and just corresponding with us, I got up and I decided I wanted to put on makeup. That's how powerful it is to be connected to the right people. So I definitely say check out our channel to give you luxury makeup reviews, luxury makeup tutorials, and just the love that we all need right now. So without further ado, let's take this look from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds using all Chantecaille. Going in with the Chantecaille Rose de Mai Moisturizing Cream. This is enriched with plant stem cell extracts, really cocoons the skin, leaves it smooth and radiant, and you all know I'm a huge proponent of skincare before doing your makeup. All right, friends, now we're going in with the Chantecaille Anti-pollution Mattifying Cream. This goes on like a dream. It acts as a primer for me. This is enriched with botanicals as well as antioxidants to fight off those heavy metals, the chemical pollutants, as well as free radicals, and it works beautifully under complexion products. Now I'm going back into Real Skin. This concealer does a lot of things for me. This is shade number 9 that I use for almost everything. And as you all know, I love to use products for multiple things. So this is cleaning up my brows because I do love to use a concealer to clean up my brows, but also to act as a brow bone highlight. I feel like it's just more subtle, yet packs a punch, and this does it for me. And I'm also taking this down the nose and under the eyes. It blends beautifully. Again, these complexion products are your skin, but better. And this is just 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Now I'm going into the Future Skin Foundation. This is in Carob. It has a red undertone, so I just use a little bit of it. A little goes a long way, my friends. And it just, look at the finish of it. It's so beautiful. I am going to use a little bit of Suntan as well. This is more cooler in undertone than the Carob. I don't have to mix foundations, but I am for the sake of this video. This foundation is non-comedogenic, it's non-acnogenic, it does not have a fragrance. It just blends beautifully, it's oil-free. So I definitely say when you get this foundation, you will be pleasantly surprised how much you will fall in love with this foundation. Now just using a little bit of Real Skin in number 9, again under the eyes, just to lighten it up a little bit. And I'm going to make sure to look up just to make sure that I get that concealer right underneath the eyes. And I love, love, love this. I also want to make an announcement that Chantecaille is going to be coming out with their cushion foundations for deeper skin tones on Thursday. So you all stay tuned for that. Let's get into eyes, my friends. I am going in with the Cheek Gelee, and this is in Vibrant, and it's acting as my transition shade. I am thinking about spring. I'm thinking about an elegant evening with the man of my dreams, and I want to look feminine. I want to look very much spring. Spring for me is very feminine and very classy, and this does it for me. And I love using this as a transition shade. Now going back into Real Skin number 9, almost like a cut crease. I'm using that concealer to just be a base for me for my Lion shade. This is the Luminescent eyeshadow. You all know that I love Lion. I also wear this on my lips. It's also a highlighter for me. But I really adore these shadows. I have 3 of them: Crane, Lion, and Zebra. And I'm going to be using all of them in this video. This is a subtle gold. It's not that vibrant va-va-voom in your face gold, and that's why I do love it for the eyes, especially for an elegant evening at home with your hubby. You don't want to look too overdone. You still want to look done, glam, but you want to be feminine, sophisticated, so that when he looks into your, into your eyes, it just takes him to another place. It's not like, wow, she's got on a lot of shadow, if you all know what I mean. These blend beautifully too. I am using this wet. I sprayed the brush with the rose water from Chantecaille. They work well with a wet brush or with fingers. Now I'm going in with the Faux Cils, and this is the mascara from Chantecaille. This actually will grow your lashes, and I really do love this formula. It's non-clumping. It is not, it doesn't dry and flake. It just really works beautifully on your lashes. Now I'm using my Scott Barnes number 62 brush, and this is going to act as, that mascara is going to act as an eyeliner for me as well. Again, I love to use products for multiple things, so I'm taking this into my waterline. So there's no reason, if you only have mascara and you don't want to get a liner, that you have to. Just use a pencil brush and grab a little bit of that mascara. Make sure that your brush is sanitized and use that as your eyeliner. I'm also taking that up the sides of my eye a little bit, just giving a little bit of a wing, not a lot, and then I'm going to smoke that outer V out a little bit. So now I'm going to use the Cheek Gelee in Vibrant as my cheek color, which it is intended for. This is a liquid blush. It reminds me of the NARS Dolce Vita, but this is just so beautiful on Friends. It's great as a transition color, great on the cheeks, gives a youthfulness to the look, and it looks very radiant, and it doesn't bring in texture. Now I'm going into Zebra as my highlighter. Friends, look at this color as a highlighter. It is so amazing. It is gorgeous. It's the right amount of highlight. Again, we can use our makeup for multiple things, and I absolutely adore and love these eyeshadows. And you just want to go in the shape of a C. Now I'm going back into Lion, and I'm going to use this as a highlighter on the tips of my nose, down the bridge, and on the Cupid's bow. And I'm going to blend this out. I'm not going to leave it looking very harsh. I'm going to dust it lightly with my face brush. And just blending everything nicely just makes it look cohesive. Now I'm going in with Crane. Watch what I'm going to do with this wet brush, and I'm using this as a lip liner. It is beautiful, and it shows up on my skin tone, which I really, really love. Again, you can get versatility from your products. Now I'm going back into Zebra, and I'm using that as a lip color. This reminds me of Mauve Wives from Fenty. Now Chandelier Luxe Lashes in Opulence I'll be using, and this is our date night look. Hope you all enjoyed the video.